how to log into Shein account or the Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log into Shein account or the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Shein account or app, all you have to do is first of all simply go ahead and first of all launch the Shein application here. Once you launch the Shein app, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to select your location, language and the currency first. Once you've done that, you will see this type of interface. Now to log into your account, it is very simple. Just come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile icon from the bottom right, you will see this type of interface where you have to just tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. As you tap on the gear icon here, at the very top you'll be able to find this option known as sign in or register. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on the sign in or register button. Once you tap on the sign in or register option, you can choose to sign in with your email address, your Facebook or your Google account. But in this case, all you have to do is just tap the continue with Google option here. As you tap the continue with Google option, you can see we have been successfully signed in to our Shein application. This way we can log into Shein account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.